Hello everybody and welcome back to Natural Living. I hope that we are all enjoying the late spring as we head slowly but surely towards the summer solstice in June on the 21st, which really isn't long now. It's kind of crazy how quickly this year is going. But in this video, I wanted to take you on a really calming, gentle stroll through a beautiful place, a beautiful stately home that we have found, which is called Grimsthorpe Castle, hidden in the Lincolnshire countryside. Now, we're going to start this little tour as we go around the parks and the gardens of Grimsthorpe Castle. So Grimsthorpe might look like this huge, mighty fortress, but it's actually a historic country house built on 13th century castle foundations. And here is the amazing thing, its 3,000 acre parkland was shaped by Capability Brown in 1771. I mean, just look at these beautiful trees and these oaks. Some of the oak trees actually date back to the Domesday Book, which is absolutely incredible. I thought it was, a really magical and enchanting place just to go for a stroll. And I think having spent a lot of time here, actually, we've kind of revisited a lot. I think it's so important to get out into your local area and to just spend time in these beautiful heritage places that we are lucky to have around us in the UK and in England. I definitely think it is an absolute privilege to experience our heritage and our culture and just how beautiful the gardens, the parklands can be in these wonderful places. Now, I thought we could take some time just to take in the incredible history behind this castle. If you know me, you know that I love heritage and history. I just have such a passion for it. I find it so interesting. And I have done a couple of tours of kind of stately homes and gardens in the past, and it's definitely something I am very much keen to continue doing in the future because I just find it so interesting. And for me personally, I do feel that it is, it falls under the umbrella of natural living, because to be in touch with our heritage and our culture is such a wonderful thing, and it is such a natural thing for us humans to want to do, to be part of something, to feel, like we're a part of our tribe and to be in touch with our history. So let's as I said, take a moment to go into the history of Grimsthorpe. So this castle's roots go all the way back to the 13th century when it began life as a fortified house, and it was much smaller than it was as we see it today. So the bulk of the building that we do see was transformed in the early 18th century when Queen Anne asked renowned architect Sir John Vanbrugh, which is actually the same guy who designed Blenheim Palace, which I have never been to and definitely want to. He designed the imposing Baroque frontage of the castle, which is the opposite end to the one you're seeing now. So it is actually the last building he ever worked on as well, which is super interesting. The castle has actually belonged to the same family for over 500 years, so it is full of kind of family heirlooms, passed down stories, and personalities. And one of the most interesting things about the family is their hereditary role of Lord Great Chamberlains of England. So it's a title that comes with like literal ceremonial duties, especially during coronations, such as the one we have just had with King Charles. And this is one of the reasons Grimsthorpe has an amazing collection of royal thrones, robes, and court regalia, which is just incredible. So there are a lot of kind of strong royal connections to this place, which I thought was super, super interesting. So right at the heart of this castle is Vanbrugh Hall, which we're going to see in a second. And this was, of course, designed by the great Sir John Vanbrugh. This is a really grand theatrical space, and it is all about impact. It's got high ceilings, dramatic arches, carved Roman and Grecian statues, and it really creates a bold sense of proportion. So you can definitely feel the kind of Baroque confidence in this room. You can also see the state dining room coming up, which is a beautiful room, and it is actually still used for special occasions today, which is absolutely incredible. Next we have the Chinese drawing room. So this room was decorated in the 18th century, right when Europe was falling in love with all things Eastern. So you'll find hand-painted Chinese wallpaper, silk panels, lacquered furniture, all sorts of beautiful, incredibly rich materials in this space. I hope that you enjoyed that very quick tour around Grimsthorpe Park. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and let me know if you want to see more of this kind of video coming to you very, very soon.